Today I am here in San Bernardino, California, visiting my friends through Aero Creations. I made Benz over the MITS, and I saw this beautiful M6, and I really fell in love with it. And I really fell in love with his job. So I decided, why not to give them a visit? So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm planning to do some wraps to my M4, and I'm pretty sure I won't get disappointed. If you don't mind, let's go in.
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You remember the other day I was talking about my M4 and everything, then I wanted to bring it and do some projects to it?
Yes.
So today I brought it, and I have some ideas, then I want to share with you. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out.
What I have on mind, this little piece of grab over here, what I want is to make it black. What do you think? What's your opinion on it?
I think if you did this black, you would have to run the design forward just to give it more of an appeal, and maybe do black roof, some black mirrors, just to contrast both, so it's not just a black piece there where it'll look more sporty.
I think it's gonna look perfect, right?
Definitely, especially if we ran it. So if we run the design, come under, just so it's not so plain, and make it a unique M4 that nobody has.
That's what I want, right? Yes, I like that. I want that. I want to have a specific design because I like the full grabs, but I want to have the color because I like the Alpine white. I just love this color.
So just the black and white contrast with the wheels should look awesome without even going so far, you know. Something simple but unique, it's going to make what I think you want. Basically,
what you're telling me is, you know what, if you want your car to look aggressive, do this.
Right.
So, you know what? So I want to leave my car with him, and here are the keys.
Definitely.
He got my business, which is no joyrides, okay?
No joyride. We keep a 5-mile perimeter. Donut spots just right down the street.
Okay, I'm pretty confident now. If you wanna come over here to Aero Creations, just don't think then this is expensive. He always gonna hook you up with great price. So don't.
Very fair prices.
Yes, don't get intimidated. Just come over here, ask him, and he's gonna give you a great deal over anything that you have. And if you don't have an idea, he can give you the idea, right?
Definitely can help you design your car and colors, you name it. There's always a certain budget for everybody, so we make that happen.
Yeah, I've been seeing that you are working on a Tesla. So what are the projects you have over there?
Okay, so right now we're working on a Tesla. We're doing it a teal. We're doing the chrome delete.
Oh, yes.
We're changing the chrome to white. So it's white interior. So the guy wanted the teal on white trim with white interior. So, I mean, check it out. The color's amazing. You can see we're still working on it. We're actually looks baby blue there.
Baby blue, yeah.
This is like a pearl white trim, so in here it looks kind of pearly. In the daylight it'll look even better. We're almost done. We got a few more things to do on it. You can see as a customer wanted to match his interior.
Oh yeah, I can see that now. It will look perfect.
Look amazing,
yeah, it will look perfect. And as a project like this, how long does it take to get done?
Project like this takes about a week or so.
Oh, okay.
A week or so. So we don't try to rush.
Yes.
There is a faster turnaround time, but if we don't have to, we like to do it right. It really does. This is 2020 Tesla, so we can take our time, make it unique. We have to take it apart, you know.
Yes.
But as you can see, it's not as bad once you know what you're doing.
I got a question for you. Many of the viewers, many of the people think that having a grab damages the paint, the original paint. What's your opinion?
I think it protects the paint. The problem is it depends on which brand you use.
Oh, okay.
And how long you leave it. So if you're doing a certain color on your roof or hood and you're leaving it there for 3-5 years, guess what? It's going to be a pain in the butt to remove. It necessarily won't damage your paint unless you're using a specific brand. But if you take care of your car and you garage it and so forth, your car will last forever with a wrap. So maintenance is key. You know, if you leave it in the sun every day, you just never know. So roofs and hoods, we recommend what, Luis, 2 years, and then
3 or 2 years, every like 3 years to take care of it.
Yeah, so that's the hardest part. Protecting, of course, just like your paint, you got to protect it. You got to protect the wrap. Just, you know, you could ceramic coat them, make them even shinier, nicer. They last long. So it's the person. You love your car, you take care of it, it's gonna last that much. Usually, depending on the day and how hot it is outside, usually you remove it. Some wraps may leave an adhesive behind, but there is a remover to help you get.
So it makes me feel then I'm leaving my car in a good place. So you come over here and you're gonna leave the car just like in your garage. They're gonna treat it very well, right?
Definitely, always inside, unless we move it out front, but usually the cars are indoors. We have a patio in the back. We take care of everything. I mean, once you get your car back, it's nice, detailed, clean, so you have a brand new car. JP Details, he's our detail guy.
Oh yeah?
So when we finish your car, he'll detail it. You get it back, it's gonna be even better.
Good thing I didn't wash it because it's gonna be clean after.
I'll charge you extra and I didn't tell you. Just kidding. No. You guys want, we do it. And if you're unsure of something, then hey, we'll figure it out and make it happen. You know?
Yes.
We're gonna start doing soon a bolts coming in with a design and stuff. So, I mean, anything's possible.
Yeah, anything is possible. And the last question I have, like the pricing on the grabs, it varies depending on the grab?
Depending on the wrap and the car. So some cars can be easier than others.
Okay.
Smaller, less material versus a car where you have to spend more time. So the more time, of course, the more labor.
Yes.
So it just, every car varies. I mean, we can have a special and be able to give you a better price just depending on certain colors.
Depending, yes.
Every car, every person, it just depends on what there is. We do minor body work just to make the car more perfect so that when the car is wrapped, it comes out super good.
Oh yes, okay.
Where some guys want to wrap and there's dents and we're like, hey, why don't we just fix that?
Yes, you gotta
wrap
fix.
over it, and they're like, oh my God, I got a brand new car.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
It could go from, it doesn't go extreme. We try to stay at a certain limit just because we want to help the community as well. We want to get cars out there, the name out there, and do our job. We're not trying to get rich off one car.
No.
We're trying to, you know, we're car enthusiasts. We love cars. So we want to help you guys get your cars looking good so that we all can enjoy them at the car meets and everything. So, you know, hey, oh, remember this car? Or look at the M4.
Yeah, the M4, my M4.
M4, M6 together at a meet. They're going to know, like, oh, wow.
Oh yes, yeah, definitely. I really looking forward to see my car after the project, and when I get back, and then we're gonna see how the turnout is. Oh God! Now this is not the way my car looked like before, and now it looks like a different car.
Totally different.
So now I'm gonna be enjoying it, driving it, going to the meets too.
Going to the
Yes. Yeah, but this is the amazing work they can do. What are you doing to the Lamborghini there?
Lamborghini, we're doing full wrap. So it had wrap already, and we had to remove parts to do the wrap.
Oh,
so
okay.
When other people touch it, sometimes you find parts where it takes a little longer.
Oh, okay, okay.
We're doing that in a new color. We're kind of now rebuilding it, you know. This should be done by next week. Then we're working on a Range Rover over there, blacked it out, you know.
You should do the grab because you will feel that you are driving a different car. Car has a different appearance. The only thing you have to bring is the car and some cash.
And some cash. Whatever you have in your mind. We had the idea and I made it happen.
Yeah, and you come with your ideas. You can just tell him and he will just supervise the idea and make the best the best turnout of it, the best way possible, so you get in love with your car again, just the same way I am right now. Never been so happy except when I bought my BMW M4. Yeah, really. See this?
You can still see through, so it's not like
yes.
it takes the black. It's not black. It's like white. So
yeah, I don't like when it is like super black. It's like super dark. I don't like it, but I like it when it's like a smoke black, like that. Then you can see through the color, the actual color of the tail light in this case. And let's go to the front. Look at the front. The same way, just the same way as the rear. Smoke tail light. I mean tail light. Looks totally different now. It is so cold right now. That's why I cannot like interact that much with you, but I really like my car now. I like it before anyway, but I like it even more now. And yeah, you should come over here. You should try. You should come over here and talk to Benz over here about grabs and
wraps, anything.
Anything.
Headlight tint, details, and like little accents. To simple, just roof and mirrors, or you know, black out your emblems, anything. We do a lot of chrome delete.
Yeah, anything works.
Anything, yeah. Or any design or ideas you have, we can do it.
Yeah, you should try it. See, my BMW looks totally different now, and I really like it. See, even this guy didn't care. He's like, oh, that car is clean. I won't even ask him to move it.
He's like, yeah, I'll go around that.
Yeah, I like it. Thank you. I really appreciate the efforts. I really appreciate the ideas he came out when I started to talk to him about the car. And you remember it was just a basic idea, just about some
design.
Yeah, just something basic. And he came out with this idea and everything. And the results of his experience are shown over here.
Definitely.
And that's something that you have to keep in mind whenever you're looking for grabs and everything like that, to come to someone that has enough experience to give that appearance that you're looking for to your car. And here we have the man.
Definitely.
Here we have
sure.
like, experience is everything, and this is experience turned into work. That's the way it should be, right?
Right.
Come over and I'm pretty sure after his touch, you will love your car forever again, until you decide to do a different grab.
Change it again.
Yes, which you can come over and ask him, and he will give you all the colors that are ready for your car. Okay. So thank you. I really appreciate it. I really love my car now, and probably you're gonna see my car on the mids too, and that's something that I am very thrilled to do. I'm very excited to do, because I cannot wait to go to the mids and show my car to them. But up to date, this is all we have, and probably next time I'm gonna come again, and probably I will have a different project, a different grab, probably a green color, probably a red color, something crazy, right? That's the way you gotta go.
Right, definitely.